Hedgehog Dryer delivers world's fastest dryers for shoes, gloves, and gear. Now introducing Hedgehog Go, the world's first dual-purpose portable dryer designed for active people. It's compact, lightweight, and so powerful that it dries your gear in minutes. Dry your boots, shoes, gloves, and even your hair wherever you are. Perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and on-the-go needs. This compact, lightweight device fits easily in your bag, offering rapid, reliable drying when you need it the most. Built with Hedgehog's powerful drying technology with multiple adapters and settings. No more waiting for that slow hotel hairdryer. Hedgehog Go also has adjustable heat and airspeed, perfect for quick drying of delicate materials like leather and other sensitive gear. Take your adventure further with Hedgehog Go. Back us today to be one of the first to experience Hedgehog Go, and join us on a mission to make life just a little bit drier, one adventure at a time.